I will talk about how can you find notifications uh, on your Olymptrade app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next here to find your notifications, just go, you go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then here you will find all notifications you have. Like you see here, I have no notifications yet, but if you have it, it's going to show for you here in this list on your Olymptrade app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.